Hey guys, Meizu 21 are almost set to launch in China 30 November. The phone comes with flat design front and back. In the display department, the phone comes with 6.55-inch Full HD Plus 120Hz AMOLED display and the phone peak brightness is 1800 nits. Let's now talk about the camera sensor. The phone comes with triple camera setup in the back, 200 megapixel main sensor, 12 megapixel ultra wide and 5 megapixel depth sensor. Of course, the phone comes with Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 SoC. Out of the box, the phone running Android 14 with Flyme 10.0 OS. And in the battery department, the phone comes with 4800 mAh battery and support 80-watt fast charger. Phone also comes with H2 speaker and in-display fingerprint scanner. So that's all about Meizu 21 all spec. If you found this video informative, make sure to hit the like button and also subscribe my channel for more content like this. As always, thanks for watching and I will be catching the next one. Take care. Allah Hafiz.